An adrenaline rush. Lawrence County first responders worked tirelessly all day as they pulled several people from rushing floodwaters. News 2's Chelsea Beinfor was there as emergency management officers described those perilous rescues.
Today, Lawrence County first responders rescued several people from rushing waters, even having to pull out a boat to rescue two of those people from their homes. This morning's rain adding to an already swollen Shoal Creek, leading to flooding across Lawrenceburg.
Where they usually could make it across, they could not, but they tried it anyway.
Lawrence County EMA spokesman Bill Phillips says first responders pulled two people from cars.
In both cases, it was a situation where the individual had driven into water and it had splashed up on his engine and basically killed his engine.
And two more people from waterfront homes.
They're designed to have the water come up close to them and actually get up underneath them. But in this case, it got up so far underneath them, it was getting close to the porches and to the point that they could not get out, and they called for help.
Phillips says a swift water rescue team saved a man, woman, and three pets from two homes completely surrounded by water.
It was actually a fairly difficult to access by boat with the flowing water and the terrain in the general area. So the guys had to make 2 or 3 runs at it to figure exactly how to do it safely.
Phillips says crews have responded to more than half a dozen of these situations this month following all the recent storms, which he calls out of the ordinary.
Tennessee weather is very unpredictable. This has been an unusual March. These last 2 weeks have just been very, very busy.
And with a little bit more rain in the forecast, Lawrence County first responders, of course, reminding you to never drive through standing water. Turn around, don't drown. Reporting in Lawrence County, Chelsea Beinfor, News 2.
The 4 people rescued today in Lawrence County are all okay. Phillips says no injuries were reported.